Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're not following me or the car, you can follow us on the Instagram at RacerX410. Today, gonna go through a few things I'm doing to my car. Some my projects, my beater. So, you know, little cheap mods that can make the car feel like a little bit more my own. So, gonna go over the install that I had just finished of the fender mirrors that I mounted on the hood and the quick release bumper. Pretty much all that is just the bumper spikes, but you know, I made a video for that, which you're about to see next. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I thank you for viewing anyway, but go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. Y'all, I got a lot of content, a lot of stuff going on with my little beater here.
Make sure they line up here.
Try not to
Try to make it as straight as possible. Not move it. Okay. I'm like, yeah, you're way off.
and that looks
Move that one down.
all right. Flying down the fucking street. Alright. Are you sure you right in the middle of the wheel though? Look straight down. And I want you to really make sure you're in the middle of the wheel before I mark this again. Go from the middle of the wheel.
If it's the middle of the wheel, come look at this. Middle of the wheel.
Yeah.
Right.
So you need to do it again. I think I had it right.
I didn't touch this one. This one it moved.
I know, but I think it was right. Like the way I had it. If you go from the middle, because you weren't in the middle. So when you did it, it looked a little off.
Hold this as flat as you can on that end. While I hold it from the middle of the wheel.
Alright, well that one got to get moved up.
Keep holding it, hold it, and then make a tiny mark where the end of that is. So we can, because it's not long enough. So make a tiny mark at the end of that, and then we'll hold another one up.
Alright, come on, flip it to me, that's all.
Okay.
Flip it over.
Where is that?
That's all right. This.
Yeah,
I got an easier way. I got the line where I want it, 1.5 inches. I can just go up. I'll go up from here. Here, we're cool.
Okay. That's smart.
This one's at 19. Top to bottom. So this one needs to come down. And now I'll just go back to my 1.5 inches. Measure twice, 3 times or 4 times in this case. 19. Not all cases where your hood easily come off like mine, but mine comes off pretty easy.
You can do it in the grass.
And the light. shade. This can be done real easy with a couple tools. Need this step down bit so I can make the hole bigger. I'll probably like rimble it out a little more. It's a step down bit. Gonna need a regular drill bit, and I got a really small one to get the hole started if need be. And of course, you need a drill. So my markings, this one is right. That one over there I changed.
It's the bottom.
This one should be good. And grab me the tape measure. I'm gonna mark the last one. Alright, I'm looking at 60. Alright. So the parts that I got for the mirror, that came with the mirror, you know, the whole setup, it wasn't perfect. They probably came from China somewhere. So when I sat the mirror down to test fit, it was like overlapping the black base at the bottom. So to remedy this, all you need to do is elongate the holes like I'm doing here. Elongate the holes from the place that you're mounting the mirrors, and then elongate the holes on the black base that the mirror sits in as well. And you do that, then you can slide it forward and then mount it where you need to. And it'll look a lot more flush and it'll look perfect. So after you drill the holes, elongate the holes, turn my hood over and start to cut out a square so I can put the bracket, the metal bracket that the mirrors bolt to on the underside. You gotta make sure that bracket will fit where, you know, you gotta make sure you measure that you have enough room on the underside of your mounting surface for the bracket to sit on there, so it's not sticking out of the hood, or in my case, where the hood is, there's a lip, it would have bumped against the lip and not been able to mount properly. All I needed to do was just cut two vertical lines and then one horizontal line, and then, you know, you'll see me in a second here bend it over, and then I just cut the rest off with the Sawzall, because right here I'm using the cutoff tool. And it's not as efficient, but it was really good for making that first cut. And once you do this, just repeat the same process on the other side, and you know, you'll be done. After you cut the holes on the underside of the hood, I mean, that's it. It's just mounting the mirrors and then getting the position perfect, and then test fitting. And I'm gonna put it on the hood and show you what that looks like.
headphones up a little teeny bit. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Yo. Baltimore City, I got you. South side. Yo. Look. Yo. I tell them, look at me. I have a dollar and a dream. I dream and I make another move like a king. I was raised by my mother. Pray with my brother, hoping things would get better. Miss my sister, oh I love her. Why nobody showed me how to play sports? I was begging. I showed me how to ball. I showed me how to fall and rise up like I'm tall, yelling I'ma conquer it all, boy. 9th grade, rolling dice up in the hall, boy. What if my father told me, son, you are a prodigy? Growing up without is probably why I got anxiety. Forgave him why he lied to me. Now I'm a commodity. I remember way back, the niggas in the streets told me real ones don't say jack. Now they my teachers. I wish my mother bought me better sneakers. I got teased by Derica, even less from the teacher. I'm not blaming you. Nowadays I got them all speechless. I used to vision dying, only seen negative. Now I see island, driving down styling. My team see my vision, that's important to me. My lady V is on the hip, she's supporting the G for real. I know she's smiling, got a nigga that would die for. I like him short, she like 5'4". This here a victory, my enemies are sick of me. They can't say shit to me, I just had an epiphany. I was on the TV, I was making history. My ladder too far for y'all to try to come get to me. Probably gonna hate me when we take over the city life. Gotta show the world what Baltimore City like. We more than the murder rate, we more than some dirt bikes. We hungry for attention, all our mothers had to work nights. You don't wanna listen unless we poppin' the perk. Same artist right now, rest in peace on a shirt. You get what you put out, respect gets respect. You hate you